What's up, guys? It's been a while that we've done this. It's been months.
It has. It's been quite a while.
But this is the next episode in Nick and Danny Try Stuff.
Bless you.
Dog under the table. Today, we're going to do something a little different. We decided there's not always an international market nearby. Especially like where I'm from in Delaware, there isn't really one around that I can remember. I mean, there's international ones, but not like a Jungle Gyms where we usually go to get our stuff. So we decided we're just going to do Dollar Tree edition. So that's what we did. And it's not just international products. It's just products that we haven't tried before.
Some are scary.
And some are a little odd. So let's get started. The first one. Dippin' Dots Cotton Candy Popcorn. You were looking at this kind of hard.
I like cotton candy.
Smells like rabbit food.
Oh, it does. Why?
It smells like rabbit food.
Now I'm scared.
Chinchilla.
It tastes stale already.
That's terrible.
It seems like it's already stale.
The heck is that flavor?
Not a good one.
We gotta fix this camera. I'm gonna say -2.
No thank you.
-2?
Yeah.
Next. Hers Stubbs Sticky Sweet Barbecue Curls. Now, disclaimer, I've had these before. I used to get the Stubbs brand barbecue sauce all the time, and hers is the home brand for me. Back home, it was our chip brand, so we used to get it all the time. So I saw these, well, she saw these, and so we're going to get her to try them now. Okay, we're just not going to smell anything. It smells horrible.
Oh, it's really dark.
Chinchilla.
It tastes pretty good though.
They're delicious.
These are really good.
They still got a little of the cheese dusting. They're sweet. They got a little bit of a tiny little bit of tang. They're crunchy.
They're really good. My mom said they're more often.
They're almost like your honey barbecue ones you like.
Dang, they're so good.
We went back home to Delaware and I got her hooked on the honey cheese curls from hers with the little bee on it. But anyway,
They're
these,
delicious.
I'm going to say like 8 out of 10.
I'm good with that.
Next, Sun Best Yogurt and Berry Biscuits. Are you really?
It was really good. I'm sorry.
Yogurt and Berry Biscuits. New from the Colonel. Chicken and tits.
I was trying not to say it.
I think we'll try one. We'll split it.
I think last time we tried to do this, we ended up trying to feed them to the dogs, and the last weird ones we had, the dogs didn't eat meat. But she's mad.
Open the thing.
She's oh, okay.
So that's the inside there. It's got some jelly and some cream.
I don't remember.
Chinchilla.
Yogurt.
It's soft.
Yeah, we talked when I was expecting. They're actually not bad at all.
Not bad. They're a little dry.
Kind of like a fig Newton. Like that dry type.
For what you're getting,
For $1.25, they ain't bad.
6.5, maybe a 7.
6 be good for me.
Rolling Pin Company Unicorn Sugar Cookies. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Oh!
And he even opened it horribly. Why does it look like an egg shape?
Why do they look like Easter eggs? I bet you they're Easter eggs during Easter.
Oh, well, I mean, the cookie is an egg shape on
And-
the back.
Chinchilla.
It's a rubber cookie. We got it dumped in some milk.
11.
No, they're like a 9. They're pretty good, though.
They're my favorite kind of sugar cookie. They have the crystals, the whatever the crystal things are.
I'm probably, I ate it all.
At least a solid 10. That's a solid 10 for me.
She's so mad.
Samia plantain chips. Somebody tell me what this word is. Same.
So it's not a banana.
No, it's in the same thing as a banana, but they're different. Same family.
You know I'm scared now, right? I thought you were not going to sniff anything else.
It's
because,
habits.
It looks very crunchy. You don't even smell like anything. Okay, that scares me. She didn't eat it.
Chinchilla.
Oh, it's salty. I wasn't expecting all the salt.
That's
Even though it says salt on it.
Here, try another one.
That's not.
I'm going to.
All I taste is salt.
It's just salt. I think you have mine.
Oh, do you drink more?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, it's a wrapper. You already have. Can you control your snot, please?
Okay. 1.
0.
The salt. I like salt.
I know.
You like Munchos.
I like one. Yeah, and the ones I ate yesterday were salt. Or no, today was it?
1.
0. I don't like salt that much.
10?
0.
You said 0?
No, 0 and a 1. So, not the other way around.
From the same company that brought you the unicorn egg-shaped sugar cookies. Here's lemon ice cookies.
I wonder if they're egg shaped too.
They look like circles.
Oh.
Now I'm excited because I gave those a solid 10.
If those aren't really good, I'm really sad because these would be like my favorite.
That is a color not found in nature.
It's a broken cookie.
I want one that I like it not.
It's got a stick. I
Chinchilla.
like how they're little. That's a lemon cookie. A little crunchier than what I can handle much.
Eight. The flavor's fantastic.
It's too hard.
Yeah, that's why I'm giving it an 8 instead of a 10. Is that fair?
She's getting mad.
So this stuff is a 4-pack of bottles, glass bottles, for $1.25.
So you want to just try to drink them out of the...
You got
Well,
cups.
I did get cups, but we have 3 different drinks. Okay.
So this is Linderzing. You
Hell,
Lindarzing. No
Um,
added sugar or sweeteners.
is apples.
60% apple juice, 40% sparkling water.
Aw, you...
It's like sparkling cider.
But I didn't like that.
It smells like urine.
Yeah, urine. Maybe drink urine. It's about what it looks like, too.
That smells like urine. I'm sorry. That smells like urine.
Very little, then. Oh, okay, buddy.
Now we'll do the old wine. Swish it around. Give it a whiff. Urine.
Oh, God.
It smells like piss.
That is so... If you're making me drink piss, I'm going to kill
I
you.
don't know if it's piss. It says it's sparkling apple juice.
Sissy, you're going to have to bite Daddy for me, please.
It smells like piss.
Well, it looks like,
It
too.
looks like piss.
Oh, God. I'm scared.
Let's just get it done.
Oh, God, I don't want to.
Chinchilla.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, that was horrible.
That was
I had to pause.
That was not okay.
I gotta take care of business. I had to wash the cups out. So we're deciding we're gonna let these get cold and
No.
try them again in another video.
You can try it again. I refuse.
That's so bad.
And you want to make me try it again. We're going to have to do the cereal soon. I don't want the milk to get
We'll get that next.
warm.
Oh, that's still cold. Thin shortbread with dark chocolate cream from Sabisc.
What should we say?
And it's a product of India.
So it should be safe.
Should be. Probably a little dry.
Oh.
No? They're individually wrapped.
Well. Okay.
Wrapped for COVID.
Oh, no, wait. They're not individual.
Oh, it's 2 in a pack.
Yeah.
Well, that works. I can throw that back in there.
So it's like a lunch snack.
That's not the shape I thought they'd be. I thought on the box they are squares.
It's not a square. It's a rectangle. Get your shapes right.
So this is what they look like.
Kind of looks like them, the Keebler elf ones.
They do. I hope they taste like those.
Oh, I love them cookies.
Those are my delicious. Yeah, big yeah.
You know chocolate, sis. Smells like chocolate.
Chinchilla.
That had chocolate in it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing it. It tastes okay.
It's the damn cookie part.
It is. It's a cookie part.
It's gross.
You ever had like some really cheap off-brand cardboard flavored frosted flakes?
Yes.
That's what that is.
We've had that not too long ago.
Oh, I'm so mad about them too. I really want frosted flakes. It tastes like cardboard.
All right.
God. I'm not happy.
This is the new one. 50% more for free. From Fruity Rolls Company. Bubble Gum Cereal. You got a bowl?
This was not my ideal.
You got a bowl.
I think I'm gonna throw the bowl.
Give me the bowl. It actually kind of smells like bubble gum.
I'm scared. No, it don't. It smells like cardboard.
Which is what bubble gum smells like. Have you ever smelled double bubble?
No, I don't particularly usually sniff bubble gum. I didn't used to sniff. Oh, there was a lot of powder that just came off of that. Like there was a little powder poof. Oh, look, it's colorful.
Aldi brand almond milk. Not part of the video, technically, kind of.
We've had it before.
Okay. We've got our cereal and our milk. And it looked like there's not a real way to get this angle. It looked like that. Okay. Get a big old heaping scoop full of cereal and milk. And chinchilla. It tastes like bubble gum.
I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Yeah, we're gonna. This guy.
It tastes here. Take the take the milk.
Oh,
It tastes like bubble gum.
that's horrible. Why would you do that to me?
Hi, Bubby. Hi, Bubby. Bubby wanted to be in the video. Alright, get down. Oh, that was awful. Oh, God.
If y'all can't guess, I don't really chew bubble gum either.
Alright.
Oh, you just freaked her out.
Coming up next.
Please, something not go.
It's a new brand from the WBC brand. They're kind of they're a brand, and they make pops. And this one is cherry cola. I usually see the root beer from this brand.
I think you've had a root beer, haven't you?
Yeah, it sucked.
Okay, let's try new flavors. Here, I don't like this other stuff by them. Let's try this one too. And we have another one by this brand, don't we?
Yeah, but that one shouldn't be bad. It's melting the table.
It lie. Melting the table. There you go. Got me sniffing stuff again.
Well, this is what it looks like. And it smells like a mix between cherry Coke and medicine.
Yum. Which means it's gonna taste like hello, buddy.
Get the frick down, dude.
You're too big for that now.
Alright, and chinchilla, wash out the bubble gum.
I already did with water. You gotta try it too.
Watch it for a reaction. How is it?
I haven't tried it yet.
I still haven't tried it. Is it great?
You actually probably will like that, actually.
You're a liar. I can see your face.
It reminds me of RC.
That's actually pretty slack.
See? Told you.
That slaps,
Oh God, here we go.
as the
again.
children say. Rating?
Give it an 8, actually.
I'm thinking right around an 8. That's pretty solid. New pickup at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. That's worth it.
We need to change to the $1.25 store instead of the Dollar Tree. It's misleading now. Okay, we're not trying that. We just got that because we like it. It goes with our peanut butter sandwiches.
She had never tried that before.
I hadn't.
Not yet.
And, you know, we haven't had one in a long time. I thought we weren't going to try those either.
Have you had the deli style?
I have not, but I've ate a lot of Slim Jims.
It's the deli style.
Okay, I'm sorry.
These are my favorite.
Okay. Oh, you about gave that one to Bubby. And he's like, let me have it.
It's a meat stick. That's doggy approved. Oh, well, it broke in a weird spot.
I'll take a little half.
Well, this is what it looks like.
Looks like a meat steak. Why? Smells like a Slim Jim. It's a bit harder.
Is it delicioso?
It tastes pretty good. It's just a little harder for me to chew.
It's almost like a pepperoni salami type thing.
Yeah. Because he's like, eat some?
Rating?
Go to 7.
That's a 9.6.
Says he's really trying to get mine. Bubber.
Woo, spicy meat. That's a spicy meatball.
It was a stick. Did you even taste it, ma'am? Oh yeah, the cracker.
That's
The
weird.
fruit-filled biscuits.
All right, let's try.
This is that same brand as that other one that we liked. That we liked that though.
Is that the same brand?
I think it
Oh,
is.
it is. Sun Best, yeah.
So.
That's a good thing. Hopefully it's...
But I'm trying to figure out how there's 10 in this really flat pack.
1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know.
I think they're in 2.
Yeah, they're probably.
So it means they're a very flat biscuit. Okay. Everything's pre-packaged.
I like that though.
Okay, so the outside of that is like strawberry. But looking at it doesn't look like strawberry jelly.
It looks expired.
It's not expired. Don't expire till September. It just is really dark. But strawberry jelly usually is, red.
Alright, so it's got speckles.
Oh, and it's not.
It looks like raisins.
Yeah, almost like when you do like the chocolate chip cookies.
Mm-hmm.
So you have some mix of both.
It smells delicious.
Ooh, it does.
Dinky? Chinchilla. Like a dry Pop-Tart.
It is, but I bet it would be good with a little bit of peanut butter mixed sandwich out of it. But yeah, I'm burping up Slim Jim right now. So it's not a great combination.
I'm gonna give that a 5.
5.5. Susie's like, it's dry as shit. I gotta go over here.
Alright. Mexican street corn flavored snack mix. We're gonna die. We're gonna die together.
So how many do we have left?
Hmm?
How many do we have left?
This, that. 3 after this.
We
4.
need a drink. Oh.
Oh! What did you do?
I pinched it.
I'm trying to find another one of those.
I just wasn't expecting it to like disintegrate when I pinched it. Ding ding!
We have to try another piece.
No flavor.
No flavor.
Didn't take
We're
that
gonna
many.
try one of these. A little curls. Still nothing.
You get heat in the back of your throat.
Very little though.
It's like sitting on the back of my tongue.
I could probably sit and eat these, just chilling watching TV.
They're not bad. But not a real strong flavor.
7, just because they lack a little bit of flavor.
6.5. We'll wait for those.
We're not doing this one. This will just be us.
That's fair.
It's blow pops.
But they're lemonade stand ones.
Coming up next.
Yeah, no.
Coming up next.
I'm gonna throw that out the door. Marshmallow biscuit with coconut.
Diavolin. I didn't know the coconut, sorry.
Oh, coconut doesn't. Some coconut doesn't bother me.
Diavolin. If y'all know how to pronounce that, let me know, because I'm not trying to make it up or mess with it. Diavolin.
Everything's in packaging. So much packaging.
Yeah, you would think in a cheap store there'd be less packaging.
Oh, no, there's extra packaging.
Holy crap.
It's actually kind of big. It looks like, you know them, whatchamacallit?
No, don't let her know whatchamacallit.
No, not that. The snowball. It's like there's a snowball in there.
It does look like a snowball.
With the cookie.
Which would explain the coconut.
I'm playing with the cookie.
Think. Chinchilla.
Don't laugh at me. I mean, it's not.
Take off the cookie. Yeet. And just try the.
You actually don't taste a whole lot of coconut.
It's not bad. It's not good. 4.
Now it's just coconut.
Maybe a 5.
I think it's just
What do you think on that one?
I go 4.5.
From the same company that gave us the delicious cherry cola. Blue raspberry. So it's just a blue raspberry pop.
So dumb.
I don't know if y'all can see, but it's... You can't. It had a little bit of, like, steam.
I'll just say it better be blue.
It's orange!
It's blue.
It smells like an icy.
It does smell like an icy.
I'm excited. Chinchilla.
It tastes like an icy.
10 out of 10. So, guys, if you're out there and you get the cherry cola or the blue raspberry, you're in for a treat. They're both really damn good. I think the blue raspberry tastes better than the cherry cola, though.
Yeah, but it's something that would probably drink too much, it would hurt your stomach. But that'd be really good. Ooh, no, you got to freeze that shit.
It almost tastes like Jones blue raspberry soda.
A little bit, yeah.
And last, dark chocolate with raspberry cream, Landmark Confections, which is their signature Dollar Tree chocolate company. I'm excited for this one.
So y'all gonna laugh because I just got really distracted for a moment there. Did you know you're not supposed to microwave jet puffed in the container? It says do not microwave.
Here's your square.
Didn't expect it to actually be on there.
Do not operate the hairdryer in the shower.
Yeah, it's one of those things.
That was a Bill Angle quote.
Are you trying to snip it straight up your nose there?
Chinchilla. Blech. 10 out of 10. Everybody should go and buy one.
You mean negative 10 out of 10?
That shit's disgusting. I thought we saved it.
So, the chocolate was good. But
It was a solid dark chocolate. It was nice.
But, not that other stuff.
So if you can find it with just the chocolate, because they do make it by just the dark chocolate bar, you're in for a treat if you like dark chocolate. I know the milk chocolate's really good too. This filled one, -2. Trash. Hey, can you get a spoon?
Why?
I have a bonus. Alright, we weren't going to make this one of the video things, but this was disgusting and we need something to end on a high note. So we haven't tried these yet. Nilla banana pudding. So it's got the little the mix-ins, like the yogurts with the Yo Crunch, are they called?
Yeah, it's the Nilla wafers.
But it's Nilla wafers on this one. And it's banana pudding inside. And again, Dollar Tree.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little excited for this. No, banana pudding is my favorite. I don't want your wrappings.
So there's the... Well, you can't really... It's washed out a little bit. Oh!
You got it on the remote and everything. Good Lord.
Okay, and then you take the... Then you take the crackers.
And then you take the cup and dump it on the table.
It came out so one piece,
Oh, why'd it go dark?
We gotta make this quick, my phone's dying.
Oh,
But,
that's what that means?
Yeah. So you mixy.
Oh.
And... That's good. $10 out of 10. Okay, bye!